This is my fourth visit to Romania, and on behalf of NIA and all the participants for this project, I'd like to appreciate ICI and also Director General Dr. Van Siu for supporting our project for the last 2.5 years. IT Cooperation Center basic philosophy is to bringing private sector into the public sector, so we can interface between public and private sector together. For last, I would say 13 years, there are a lot of companies and the countries has participated for IT Cooperation Center projects. We had hundreds of projects were done by the Korean companies and also the companies from all these countries. And we spent more than $10 million to design the pilot project jointly and to see the feasibility whether those design pilot project can be applied as a large-scale project for public sector. So we had very great expectations when we started the IT Cooperation Center in Romania. There were a lot of interest, not only from Korean companies, but also Romanian companies as well. And ICI played a pivotal role in bridging Korean and the Romanian companies and public sector together. So as Mr. Vasiu mentioned, there were several projects were done, and digital forensic, e-libraries, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and also PKI. Those are the key components of smart technologies. So when you take a look at the trend nowadays, a hybrid of a core technology becomes a major technology for smart something, smart cities or smart cars or smart farms. So we strongly believe that those pilot projects we've done together for this IT Cooperation Center brought us a lot of attention to these technologies. When you take a look at the environment around the globe, many things are happening. Previously, when you take a look at the ICT sector itself, we only concentrate on the single applications. But nowadays, things has been changed. Yesterday, Samsung Electronics announced that they're going to merge Harman Kardon, which is an infotainment company of United States. They bought it with the $9 billion of cash. When you take a look at the Apples, and when you take a look at the long list of merger and acquisition company list, they bought all kinds of different types of companies from all different countries, including Israel, Switzerland, Germany, and even India. When you take a look at the Google itself, they bought hundreds of different companies in the area of virtual reality, 3D printings, and artificial intelligence. So things has been changed, and business environment has been changed. So everything is changing to create the new markets and new area of collaborations, and also a new area of investment. So in the same sense, I believe that IT Cooperation Center played very important roles in bridging Korean companies and private companies from Romanian side. So I hope that throughout these projects, we can make a joint project together even after we finish the ICT Cooperation Center, and we can continuously collaborate for a joint project, not only in the scale of the pilot project, but also mass scale of public sectors and private sectors projects. So in conclusion, I strongly believe that ICT Cooperation Center, specifically in Romanian side, was extremely beneficial for both Korea and Romania. And also we invited the several companies which done project with the Colombian government. So they've done project in the area of cloud and the CERT and single window for e-trading. So I hope that the companies from Romanian side can interact with the Korean companies. I think we believe we have 7 Korean companies presented here today, and we could have a very fruitful business meeting until tomorrow. Also, I included a few slides about the consulting automation tool by NIA. We developed the open source NIA National Informatization Assessment Tool, and it is open source. And if any Romanian public sector and agency and ministry is interested in accessing their ICT levels, you are welcome to use the tool by collaborating with the NIA. So I'm giving you simple tips about the assessment. So I think that we can discuss a bit more detail regarding the technicalities right after we listen from the companies. And also tomorrow we have a business forums, and hope that the companies can discuss and exchange ideas to make the feasible business opportunities, not only as procurement areas, but also joining the technologies and also try to find out the good opportunity for investment and merger and acquisition. And also, who knows, I mean, you guys can be a very, very good partner for Romania and Korea. So thank you.